Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is special to me because I am doing a Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look. It is her general makeup look. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to begin by applying some moisturizer. So I'm going to use my usual Aveeno's Daily Moisturizing Cream. So this look is very subtle, yet it's got these tiny bits that just make her entire makeup look so good, and that's what I will be trying to achieve today with my normal daily makeup that I use. Some of it's high-end, some of it's very affordable, and so obviously I don't know what exact product she uses, so I'm just gonna work with what I have and let's see what we can come up with. So I've just applied some moisturizer. Next thing I'm going to do is apply some primer. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer, which I am loving. I've been using it for some time now. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Deepika Padukone's eyebrows, they are always on point. They're always done. They look sharp. Eyebrows is something that shapes her entire face. And so the products I will be using is my Morphe eyebrow palette and my eyebrow pencil from Rimmel, and I will be using my Benefits Brow Conditioning Primer to set the eyebrow hairs in place. So next I'm using these two shades to fill in my brows. Next, I'm going to use some of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. It's a bit dirty to clean up my eyebrows. Next, I'm just going to color correct the darker areas of my face, and for that I'm going to use my regular LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Orange. So Deepika Padukone wears a very natural skin color base, so for that I'm going to color correct, and after I'm done with that, it will look, when I apply my foundation, the base of my face will be one color. So I'm just applying some around my mouth, a bit under my eyes, and now I'm just using a regular concealer brush and I'm just gonna blend it all out. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 360. All the information about all the products I use will be in the description box below. So firstly, I'm just going to apply a little bit of foundation on the areas that I color corrected, just to, you know, cover it up, and then I will go in with another layer of foundation to get that even base. So now I'm just gonna take some on my finger and just evenly spread it across my face. I'm gonna use my Morphe foundation brush to blend all of my foundation out. Don't forget to drag your foundation to your neck. So after I've done my foundation, I'm going in with my concealer again, and I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes. And I'm just gonna apply whatever's left on my fingers on my eyelid as well. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, not too much, just because Deepika has a very defined face. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So a little bit on my I'm gonna blend that out using my same concealer brush. I'm just gonna blend it out. Next, I'm gonna set my foundation and concealer using my Rimmel's Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm also setting my eyes, ready for some eye makeup. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. So Deepika tends to wear dark brownies eyes. So I didn't realize that I started doing my makeup and I didn't press record. So all I did was I went in with using my Revolution Iconic Pro palette. I used this brown shade here. For the crease of my eyes, just to define my eyes a little bit and to make them slightly bit more dark brownish. Next, I am using this shade here to deepen it a little bit, and then spread this because I don't want to make the eyes too dark. So I'm using that same shade, that same amount of eyeshadow, and I'm blending it out. I'm not going too deep. I don't want it all over my crease. I just want it in the outer corner, and I'm sort of taking it underneath because she does tend to wear a very smoked out look all over her eyes and on her waterline as well. Next, I'm using the black shade here. I'm only taking a tiny bit to again darken this bit up, darken the outer corner. Now I'm dragging this onto my lower waterline. Now I'm mixing this and this shade here. I'm mixing the two shades to create a very in-between shade to use on my waterline. And now for my inner corners, I'm going to use my finger and go in with this shade here, just to lighten it up a bit. And now I'm taking a more fluffier brush like this, and I'm using this shade here, my brow bone, with the darker shades. So I'm using it to just blend it out. So I am using my Collections Extreme Mascara. So I just finished doing the mascara. Now I'm just using my Maybelline eyeliner to lightly, very thinly outline my upper waterline. I'm applying it very closely and not too thick. Very thin. Now that I've outlined my upper waterline, I'm going to go ahead and apply some light bronzing. So I am using my Hoola Benefits Hoola bronzing powder. So next I am going to apply some blusher. For my Revolution blush palette, I will be using this shade here, very lightly. Rosy pink cheeks. Moving on, I will be doing my lips. Very nude. She tends to wear nude colours a lot more. That, you know, gives her a very natural look. So I'm going to outline my lip using my Natural Collection lip liner. It's a purplish sort of tone. So I am going to outline my lips. So firstly, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty matte lipstick. It's in the shade Girlfriend. I'm going to top this up with another colour, another nude colour, which is the Wifey. I think that looks good. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of very teensy weensy of highlighter. She does highlighting, but it's very subtle. It's not anything too much. So I'm using my Obsession Makeup London's Obsession highlighter. I'll leave the information in the box below so you can check it out. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here, like 2 tiny dots, and then blend it out. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel below, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!